Hello kids, welcome on Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are gonna draw and color a cute flower. Let's get started, learn together how to draw a flower. At first I'm going to draw a circle for the middle of our flower. Now I draw its petals all around. 3, 4, 5. Nice! Let's draw a face for our flower. It's two cute eyes and a smiling mouth. It looks adorable. Wow, it looks great. Now I draw its stem and its two leaves. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I use pink for its mouth and cheeks. I color the circle yellow. I continue with light green for the first petals. Then light blue. Orange. I love my pen. Pink. Purple. Amazing. Dark green.